This is Roy. Welcome to the lecture 2. Lecture 2, in this lecture I will cover the REST tuple and dictionary that is our very most powerful built-in data structure in Python. And if we can handle this data structure in Python, we can code anything, I think. So first I will handle the list. List is simply can be declared like this. We want to declare a list with the value integers. Then we just declare like this. And Python. Python is type-based language, so we can put string value and integer value and floating point value and Boolean value or all kind of the primitive type value in we can declare in our SAM array. Yeah, but it is possible, but most of the program does not need to use this kind of code because if we code like this, it is more hard to figure out what element is in the list. So we normally does not code like this, but we can declare like this. And if we want to declare empty list, we just do like this. And we can yeah, A is empty list. We can know by just comparing the node type and list type. And there are another way to declare the list. The second way to declare list is just using the list function. It also the same as previous one. And if we use the range function with the value 10 is return the range class instance. But if you want to change this instance into the list instance, just convert into list. Yeah. Tuple. Okay, this is done, so I will go to tuple. Tuple can be declared like this, or like this. Yeah, just put the comma at the end of the integers or sequence of integers. First time we see this tuple, it is very hard to declare find out what is the difference between the tuple and list. But tuple cannot modify and change the value. Tuple is constant, so we cannot assign any value to the tuple that is already declared. But in the case of list, we can change the value, but tuple cannot. So mostly we can use tuple as our constant key. I will show you some kind of example code in dictionary part. And here, we just need to know the tuple can be declared like this. Yeah, this is a tuple. Yeah, there's nothing to know any extra thing as I think. However, if there is some kind of grammar, we need to know I will explain later this time with some nice example. Okay. Ah, um, here the tuple, and I will put some explanation. Tuple and list are sequential data type in Python. So sequential data types, all the sequential data type in Python can be accessed indexing mechanism, the same indexing mechanism in Python. So if we declare the list like this, we can access the first element of the list like this, and we can access the final element like this. But there are another way to access the binary element just using this expression. Minus, if we add minus in front of the integer of index, that it will find, it will try to search from the reverse side, reverse order in list. So we can access the last element like this, and also we can access the second last element like this. And there are another way to access the item by using get item operation. But this is the same as this, so there is no reason to use this expression. But if you want to declare your own class type, you need to declare get item function like this. Yeah, like this. Because by declare this get item operator in your class, you can use this index operation. And if we put the index 5 that is out of the range, then we can need some kind of exception index error. And also, if you want to remove this item, then we can use their operation. Yeah. And there is slicing. Slicing is very proper in Python. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to slicing the 2 and 3 only, then we can use the slicing operation that the first index of the slicing is 2, and last index of the slicing is 3, but we need to put extra 1, so we can slice the 2, 3 only. So for 3 we can code like this. As you already expect, the slice is make a copy. So the original is exists, but not modified it, but it copied the from index to ports, and the copy is stored in the bin. So the A and B are different instance of the list. And if we want to access the every um, twice, we can use like this. And if we want to access every twice element, but from 0 to 3, we can code like this. But in this case, we can it does not need to declare the 0 because this one are same expression. Yeah, this is right. And there are another thing I will show you. If you want to, as I already showed this case, the second parameter of the index is used as a step, jump steps. But if we put the step 1, then we just cover every single element in array. But if we put -1, then it will go through all the elements reverse wise. Yeah, I see. If we know this kind of the indexing, then we can code almost all the code you can imagine. Okay, last thing is dictionary. Dictionary, you can declare dictionary like this. Yeah. Okay, we can declare dictionary like this. And also we can put here integer on and here floating point and here boolean. But as I already said, we do not code like this, putting other data types into our single and same data structure, because if we code like that, we need to check all the elements, every single element whenever we need to access any element. So it's very burden. So we do not code like this. We just use the same type. And also there is a second way to declare the dictionary is just use the dict function. Yeah, like this. And we can use the dict function with parameter like this. Yeah. And also we can use dictionary. We can make dictionary with two kind of list. And think about it, there is key list and value list. If we want to create our dictionary with these given keys and values, we just use zip. And we need to convert this zip, the output of zip, into dictionary, and we can get our dictionary like this. But if we and in order to access the value at with the key 1, then we just declare the expression like this. And 2 also can be accessed like this. But if we put some key that does not exist in the given dictionary, then it will make some kind of key exception error. So before we accessing the key, we need to program like this. Okay, but it's not defined because the code does not execute because key 3 does not exist in a dictionary. So we are always trying to put some guard code in front of the real accessing code. But this is quite a burden. So mostly I use correction. In order to use the correction, we need to import correction. And we can use the correction like this. And if we put some key, it just return. By just executing the execution operation, that the correction, the predictable correction, just put some default value into the dictionary. So as you can see, there exists key generator and value generator, but there is no other element. But put, if we executing the expression like this, and there are another key and value are created in the dictionary, as we can see. So the correction is very handy library, as I think. Okay, we covered all the things, as I think, about the tuple list dictionary. Okay, there are more detailed expression that using this kind of sequential and the map data structure. I will show you more nice example later this time. Thank you for listening and watching this video, and please subscribe me. Thank you.